What's the meaning of cannot? Cannot. Cannot.
Cannot. Cannot. Cannot is a contraction of cannot, which is used to indicate the inability or impossibility of performing an action or achieving a goal. It is often used to express limitations or constraints. For example, if someone says I cannot swim, it means they are unable to swim. In a similar vein, if a project manager says we cannot complete this project on time, it means there are factors preventing them from finishing the project within the intended timeframe. Cannot is a negative assertion that communicates the unachievable nature of a particular action or outcome.